called shopping. It's called getting free shit. Bitch, you buy shit from a store with free people take their free clothes. People take their free clothes, bitch, and then you go buy them. You no, I don't. I didn't buy no clothes. I didn't buy no clothes from no free place.
Yeah.
Hey, church, y'all listen. The real spell.
So, if
I'm not him around.
how you spell it? Put it in the comments for me, please, because I need to do my research.
Yeah,
You can Google his name.
Everybody get together and throw me something. Hurry up. Throw me into maze. Throw me a maze.
Thank y'all for the gifts. I appreciate it.
Shut up, bitch. You're not gonna win. Somebody help me right now, blue side, or I'm getting off here. And I do not want to get off y'all.
They just want you to self-destruct.
I'm about to get off of here. I'm about to get off of here. Off of here. Off of here.
They
I'm
only
about to get off of here. Shut your stupid ass up.
You thought
Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. Yeah, give me a shield. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all gifts.
Why you sitting there so late?
Bitch, they didn't even send it up so late.
Yes, I did. I just got 5,000, bitch. I won. Ha ha. I still won. I still won. Why you send it so late? Oh, I can't stand you, Miss Evie. Yeah, I did win, bitch. I won. I'm on 8 boxes, bitch. She over there on 1 star. She's still on 1 star. Thank you, Miss Layu. She on 1 star, bitch. I'm on this. I don't know, tears on my face. Ooh.